The manga that you are seeing right now is made entirely with AI. It has consistent characters, a consistent art style from the first page to the last, and here's the crazy part. I did not have to write any prompts, and I did not have to attach a single character reference image. If you have tried making AI manga before, you already know how rare that is. Most AI tools give you a character with black hair on one page and brown hair on the next, and the art style shifts around so much it looks like 5 different artists drew it. So in today's video, I am going to show you step by step exactly how to do this for yourself. Let's get into it. First, head over to this website, Mangaflow.studio. This is a tool that generates high-quality AI manga with consistent characters and a consistent art style, and the link is in the description and pinned comment. Go ahead and sign up, then head over to the dashboard. Once you are in, click on New Project. That is where everything happens. Now, you need a story for your manga. You have got 2 options here. Either you already have your own story written, or you can just make one using ChatGPT or Claude in a few seconds. Let's write one together right now. Tell ChatGPT to write you a 500 to 1,000 word story. That length gives you around 20 to 25 pages of manga. And honestly, this is the sweet spot that gives the best results in my experience. If you want fewer pages, just shorten your story a little. And do not worry if your story is long. There is a feature that handles that, and I will tell you about it later in the video, so keep watching. So here you can see I asked ChatGPT to write me a story, and right here it gave me one. I am going to copy it and then paste it into Mangaflow. Now that the story is pasted in, let's set up the look of your manga. First, select your art style. There are 6 to choose from, so pick the one that fits your story. Then select your number of pages. I am going to go with 10 for this one. Next, choose black and white or color. I am going with black and white for this, and then I will keep speech bubbles and sound effects on and set the reading order to manga. Once that is set, click Analyze Story. This is going to scan your story, extract the characters automatically, and figure out the pacing and scene breakdown for you. By the way, this Analyze step only costs 1 credit, so it is basically nothing. And here we go. It pulled out the characters from the story. Now we are going to generate them. Also, if you want to add or delete any character, you can also do. You are in full control. Each character generation costs 1 credit per character. So if you have got 4 characters, that is 4 credits total. Hit generate, and the tool builds a full reference for each one. This is the part that keeps everybody looking identical across every single page, so it is worth getting right. Once you are happy with how your characters look, click Lock Cast and move on to the layout step. Now for the page layout. The AI engine automatically picks the best layout for each of your pages, and most of the time this is exactly what you want. It knows what flows well. But if you want to change something, you can just click on any page and select a different layout yourself. Once your layout looks good, click Generate Prompts. Each manga page costs 2 credits to generate, so for a full set, you know exactly what you are spending. The tool starts creating the manga page prompts and prepares everything for the actual page generation. And here it is. The manga pages are done. Take a look at this. The quality is really high, every single character stays consistent, and the art style holds up beautifully across all of them. And here is the best part. If you want to edit something on any page, you do not have to regenerate the whole thing. Just click Edit, type which panel you want to change, and hit Edit again. The tool will fix that specific part of your page for you. Each edit costs just 1 credit. And also, if you have a long story with multiple chapters, you can use Continue Your Story button, and it will preserve all you characters so you don't have to generate them again. And paste your next part here. Also, new character can still be introduced, so don't worry about that too. Honestly, there is no other tool out there right now giving you all of these features in one place. The consistency, the auto layout, the per panel editing, it is the best in the market for this. And that is the entire process. The link to Mangaflow is in the description, so go try it yourself. And subscribe if you are new, because there is a lot more of this kind of stuff coming. See you in the next one.